Welcome to the mesmerizing world of Bangladesh, a country adorned with an intricate network of waterways and lush, verdant forests. Nestled in South Asia, Bangladesh boasts an unparalleled natural beauty that has captivated explorers and nature enthusiasts for centuries. From the meandering rivers that crisscross the landscape to the dense, biodiverse forests teeming with life, Bangladesh is a treasure trove of ecological wonders. Bangladesh, to the east of India on the Bay of Bengal, is a South Asian country marked by lush greenery and many waterways. Its Padma, Ganges, Meghna and Jamuna rivers create fertile plains, and travel by boat is common. On the southern coast, the Sundarbans, an enormous mangrove forest shared with eastern India, is home to the Royal Bengal tiger. The Ganges Delta. At the heart of Bangladesh lies the Ganges Delta, one of the largest river deltas in the world. Formed by the confluence of the Ganges, Brahmaputra, and Meghna rivers, this deltaic region is a sprawling expanse of fertile land, characterized by its intricate network of waterways. These rivers have shaped the country's geography and culture, providing sustenance to millions and serving as vital transportation routes. The Brahmaputra. The mighty Brahmaputra, known locally as the Jamuna, is one of the longest rivers in the world. Its powerful currents traverse through Bangladesh, creating a diverse range of landscapes along its course. The river is a lifeline for countless communities, offering fertile plains for agriculture and hosting a rich array of aquatic life. The Meghna, flowing through the eastern part of the country, the Meghna River is another vital waterway in Bangladesh. Its extensive deltaic region is a haven for a variety of wildlife, including numerous species of fish, birds, and mammals. The lush wetlands that surround the Meghna are a vital habitat for migratory birds, making it a paradise for birdwatchers. Waterways and transportation. The waterways of Bangladesh play a crucial role in the nation's transportation network. Traditional wooden boats, known as nuka, are a common sight, carrying goods and people across rivers and canals. These vessels are not only functional but also symbolic of the country's enduring connection to its waterways. Sundarbans Mangrove Forest. The Sundarbans, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a jewel in Bangladesh's natural crown. This vast mangrove forest, situated at the confluence of the Ganges, Brahmaputra, and Meghna rivers, is home to the iconic Bengal tiger. The intertwining network of waterways here forms a unique habitat where saltwater and freshwater ecosystems converge, creating a delicate balance of life. The Sylhet Hills and Forests. In the northeastern region of Bangladesh, the Sylhet division boasts picturesque hills and verdant forests. The area is known for its abundant tea gardens and scenic landscapes. The forests of Sylhet are a sanctuary for various wildlife species, including leopards, elephants, and a diverse array of bird species. Chittagong Hill Tracts. Nestled in the southeastern part of Bangladesh, the Chittagong Hill Tracts are a treasure trove of biodiversity. This region is characterized by its lush, hilly terrain and dense forests. Indigenous communities have coexisted harmoniously with nature here for generations, preserving both cultural traditions and the delicate ecosystem. Bangladesh's waterways and forests are a testament to the intricate relationship between nature and humanity. The rivers that crisscross the landscape and the forests that cloak the land are not only sources of sustenance but also reservoirs of biodiversity. Preserving these natural wonders is not just a duty, but a privilege, for they hold the key to a sustainable and harmonious future. As you embark on a journey through the waterways and forests of Bangladesh, prepare to be captivated by the sheer diversity and raw beauty that this enchanting land has to offer. From the tranquil ripples of the rivers to the symphony of life in the forests, every moment here is a testament to the extraordinary power and resilience of nature. So, join us in this exploration of Bangladesh's natural wonderland, and let the journey begin. With gratitude and warm regards, thank you for watching my video. Explore for free.